You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this village. It's also a county, and I believe it's a river, also in Wisconsin. If you want to learn more confusing names from the area, make sure to stay tuned. So it comes from French, Trempealeau, and but it's like all different words just stuck together, which you normally wouldn't do in French. But anyways, Trempealeau, and this is why it's pronounced locally in Wisconsin as Trempealeau. Yeah, it's easy, Trempealeau. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.